Hey guys, I just want to make another quick lube video. I have good news and I have bad news. I am getting 2 drums of transmission lube in, I believe Tuesday of next week. The bad news is the price has doubled on me. I talked to my lube company and met with the guy, and prices are through the roof. That's going to kind of put a damper on things, but it is coming in. If you need it, I'll have it as of probably next Tuesday. That's not a guarantee, but I know it's coming in. It's being made, it's coming in. And I did have to turn away a lot of guys after I made the last video about the lube shortage. So I have a case of 12 jugs. I know I turned away at least 12 or 15 guys, and I'm gonna hold the price where it is for the first 12. So a lot of guys told me they had to go another way, and they were gonna put some 80-90 weight in their transmission. I don't recommend that, but if you gotta do, you gotta do what you gotta do. I have a case of jugs. The first 12 people will get the transmission lube at the original price. After that, I don't know exactly how far it's going to go up, but it is going to go up a little bit. The lube is up. The UPS shipping is going crazy. The jugs are getting more expensive with the plastic jugs, and prices are just going through the roof. The best thing I can tell you is, like I say, first 12 guys, I'll hold the price. After that, contact me. This is the best way to contact me. Can you see this all right?
Yep, I'll zoom in on it.
Okay, that's the email address, metalshaper@comcast.net. metalshaper@comcast.net. Email me here. I will send you an updated list. I do have steering box lube in stock right now. I have differential lube in stock. I have knuckle lube in stock. Transmission lube as of next week sometime. If you need it, put your order in early. I know it's going to sell out, so if you want it, plan what you need and let me know, and I'll ship it right to you. And again, the first 12 guys to order it will get the price, the original price. We're still fine-tuning the exact price of things and see where we're at, but there will be another price increase, and that is just on the transmission lube. The rest of the stuff is holding steady, so just the transmission lube is going to take a little bit of an increase. So that's the news as of today. Thanks for watching. I will come out with more videos along the way if there's any more trouble in the lube front, and I'll keep in communication with you. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.